In March of 2020, I made a decision to bring all of our laboratory services in-house. With the techniques we've used in the past, providing full arch restorations would easily be 11 to 15 appointments, and that's without counting appointments like just follow-ups and post-surgical appointments. This is 11 to 15 times that you're in the chair and that we're trying to do precision work with fitting your bite and trying to deliver customized teeth. Very labor intensive, that the ability now to have an on-site in-house laboratory, the advent of milling and 3D printing, the ability to generate prototypes, this has cut the appointments down drastically and improved the accuracy. Very, very rarely do we have times in our profession where we can have less appointments and claim more accuracy and better longevity. Usually, we kind of think of it as cutting corners. You know, hey, we're going to get this done in a faster amount of time, and it's like, as a consumer, you're like, well, you know, we're not cutting any corners, are we? With the technology we have, it's being cut down because of the ability of computer logistics and log algorithms and things like this that provide preciseness like we've never seen. The ability to design a smile and test it out behind the scenes while you're not even there. So the planning happens and the execution happens and the delivery happens with more accuracy and less time. So the decision to bring our lab in-house in March of 2020 was probably one of the best decisions I've ever made for our practice and for our patients.